Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you what AlDente is, how to install it, how to use it and best settings to help extend your MacBook battery lifespan. Let's get started. First, let's know what is AlDente. AlDente is a free Mac application that lets you limit your MacBook's maximum charging percentage. Instead of charging all the way to 100%, you can stop charging at a level like 80%. This helps reduce battery stress, especially if your MacBook stays connected to a charger for long periods. It's useful for students, office users, developers, content creators, anyone who mostly uses their MacBook while plugged in. First, open your browser and search for AlDente for Mac. Then press enter. Just scroll down. Now you can see here AlDente for Mac. Open it. Now let the download button be generated. Now click on this. Close this pop-up. Scroll down. Now you can see a download button. Click on this download button. Your download has started. Now you can see the AlDente is downloading and it is finished. Just drag this on your desktop. Now let's install it. First, double click on the DMG file. Now what you have to do, just drag your AlDente to your application folder like this. And that's it. Now close this. Now open your launchpad. Now you can see here the AlDente is successfully installed. Depending on your macOS version, you may also need to allow AlDente in system settings, privacy and security. As you can see here, just click on open, click on get started, install helper, provide your Mac password here, then click on install helper. Helper installation successful. Now click on OK. If you want to give a survey, give it from here. If you want to skip it, just click on skip. Now unlock your battery full potential with AlDente Pro. If you buy the Pro version of this AlDente application, you will unlock the potential of premium versions. I will use free version for now. Now you can see here one last step before you can start using AlDente. Okay, it is looking for launching at login, no. Showing a desktop icon, yes. Allow automatic updates, no. Share technical data, no. Then click on finish and that's it. Your setup is successfully controlled. Now you can see here the AlDente icon. Click on this icon. Now you can see here the limit. 100% recommended everyday use. Okay, you can see here the discharge and top up and the menu bar. From here you can enter the interface of this application. Okay, once the battery reaches your selected percentage, charging automatically stop. As you can see here, it is selected 80%. If your battery is already above the limit, it will naturally discharge to that level during normal use. It's that simple. AlDente also offers several useful features. You can see here the menu bar icon of the AlDente app. You can quickly change your charging limit directly from the menu bar. Just change it from here. Let's just drag this here like this. Drag your scrolling bar to manage your limit. Best battery tips to maximize your MacBook battery lifespan. Keep the charge limit around 80%. It is by default selected 80%. Just select it to 80%. Avoid leaving your MacBook at 100% for days. Keep your MacBook cool. Use the original Apple charger or a trusted USB-C charger. Update macOS regularly. That's how you use AlDente on your Mac. It's one of the best free utilities for anyone who keeps their MacBook plugged in most of the day. If this video helped you, give it the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and check out my other Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.